The new machine, new AGLAE, is unique in the world because of its exceptional position in a museum environment and because it is the only particle accelerator dedicated to the study of artistic and cultural heritage. Today we are investigating Paleolithic ivory in particular. We examine objects from a Russian site, Sungir, near Moscow. We chose these items for the examinations because they are pieces of beads and bracelets made out of mammoth ivory. We have already studied very similar objects from other sites in Europe, from the south of France and from Germany.
This site dating nearly 35,000 years ago. Our colleagues 40 years ago excavated there a very interesting, beautiful graves. It's more than 9,000 only ivory beads.
On va rentrer dans la ligne micro-faisceau qui permet...
The particles enter the microbeam tube, which can focus the beam. Until then it hasn't been huge, but still had a size of a millimeter, as at the accelerator output. It will now be reduced to a size of 10 microns. This microbeam enables a very precise spot analysis on the object.
La particularité de l'accélérateur AGLAE, c'est de fournir une quantité...
The special feature of the AGLAE accelerator is to provide a quantity of simultaneous and complementary analyses. We measure both the X-rays and the gamma rays that are emitted by the sample and backscattered particles. We are especially interested in the chemical elements, such as fluorine, magnesium, zinc, strontium and bromine. They are different markers and are well preserved over time. On the one hand, they provide information about the living conditions of the mammoths and, on the other, they are elements that inform us about the ivory's state of preservation. The particle accelerator AGLAE can be used to examine other ivory objects, not just mammoth ivory, but also ivory objects made from elephant tusks. In Egypt, ivory was also used to make art objects. With the accelerator, we can identify the ivory objects, if it is well preserved. We can even say if it is hippopotamus or elephant ivory, and we can give information about the condition of the ivory. The case of Shepenupet II is a masterpiece of the Department of Egyptian Antiquities of the Louvre. This case was made in the 7th century before Christ. It is quite exceptional because the case is made out of bronze and is decorated with electrum and different kinds of gold. Furthermore, it contains an ivory badge.